Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is your online tutor Anas Shamsi, and here we go again with the new lesson. We are going to do the Muqattiat letters. These letters can be found in the Quran on different surahs. These letters doesn't have any kind of specific meaning to them, but nonetheless they are still the part of the Quran. So we are going to cover these letters today, inshallah. So first of all, I'm going to read all of these letters, and then you need to follow them as I'm going to repeat them for you. Alif Lam Mim. There are muds on top of these letters. This symbol is called a mud. These symbols are called mud, and you need to stretch them for about 2 seconds. Alif Lam Mim. Alif Lam Mim Sad. Alif Lam Ra. Ra doesn't have a mud on top of it, just a simple movement known as the khara or standing fatha. Alif Lam Mim Ra. Kaf Ha Ya Ain Sad. Taha Ta Sin Mim. Qasin Yasin Sad. Hamim. Hamim Ain Sin Qaf. Qaf Noon. It may be a little bit tricky to learn all of these letters with the mud, so I'm going to read this again one more time. Alif Lam Mim. Alif Lam Mim Sad. Alif Lam Ra. Alif Lam Mim Ra. Kaf Ha Ya Ain Sad. Taha Ta Sin Mim. Tasin Yasin Sad. Hamim. Hamim Ain Sin Qaf. Qaf Noon. This should be enough for today. Be sure to practice it properly, and inshallah we are going to cover the next lesson on our next video. So until then, Assalamu alaikum.